Paul, how's it going? You're mad? Why? You want to learn in person? Paul, you never learn in person. You're an animation. You're always in the computer, so it's no different for you. Jeez. Welcome to another episode of the Mighty Code Coder. I'm Rob Fitzgerald, here to make you great and help you innovate. In this episode, we're going to get you all set up with your LMS, your AWS Learning Management System. Okay? To do this, we will do what we did last year. There's really two companies involved here. There's a company called Adhesive, and Adhesive manages your Canvas system. They have all the curriculum in the Canvas, and they have the tests, they have the quizzes, they have the projects, and you turn it all in there. There's videos of the projects and what they want you to do. And it's basically like having two teachers. Okay, pretty cool. So you'll be going through that curriculum daily, and you'll have me on the side doing videos to help you with certain projects and whatnot. So I'll show you the daily schedule. And well, maybe I could do that now. I'll actually do that now. So if I go to the schedule, last year's schedule looks something like this. I go back to this Google bookmark thing I made and see this daily schedule piece right here. All right, this was basically what you're going to do every day of the week, and it's pretty understandable. Okay, on Monday you're going to code in your LMS, and on Tuesday you're going to code in your LMS. However, before we did what's called a scrum. Okay, we either did a stand-up scrum or a pair programming scrum. So if you're in class, you'd stand up and talk with people in your group to say, hey, what are some of my detours? What's helping me out? Okay, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you actually do an AWS project. Remember we talked about the Mars rover or the Deep Racer. So you select a project that you can do. Paul, be cool. Okay. Anyway, so that's our schedule. But the LMS are these first two pieces, Monday and Tuesday, that you should be in your LMS working through your curriculum. And then on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you're just working. You might be working on a team on an AWS project. Okay, you might be just watching my videos on how to do a certain AWS project. But so 2 days to the LMS, 3 days to the AWS project, and you take your lessons wherever you want to go with it. And yesterday I talked about Bitcoin or blockchain. Like if you're a blockchain person, yeah, you can do it on those 3 days, okay? And like I said, if I get inspired or I see something that I know that could help you, I will do a video on it to help you out. But you'll have many videos in your LMS on Monday and Tuesday, and they may talk about a BitChain project or something that inspires you, okay? So that's the schedule. And let's actually get going and see if you guys can log yourself in. All right, so one way I'm going to do that is, let me go back to those bookmarks. And if you go to your Google Classroom, if you guys noticed, are you guys getting notifications on your Google Classroom? I get notifications, too many of them. I had to turn them off yesterday because you just get too many notifications. I'm in Chrome, and I don't usually use Chrome, but it's working better, so let me log in. I don't think this is going to keep the password. Oh, it did. Okay, great. All right. So, yeah, so I get notifications. We have to give these are all my classes, and then we have to give our class code to all the principals. And so the principals are putting something in, that notification comes up. If a kid puts something in, and and all of a sudden you start getting just too many notifications, I have to turn them off. So you might want to do the same. So in your Google Classroom, all right, I put this, okay, and this is a YouTube video, how to enroll in your Adhesive, your LMS, okay? So what you can do, this is that asynchronous part that I really love. What you can do is you click on that and walk yourself through it, okay? You may go fast, I may be going way too slow for you, okay? Or I may be going way too fast for you. Either way, you could click on that and enroll yourself in your Adhesive class, okay? In order to do that, I need to give you a code, Okay, so let's start by, as I'm looking for that code, you guys start watching that video. Okay, this is your Adhesive LMS. It's going to talk about how you sign up, and log in. All right, so as you guys start walking yourself through that video on how to log in, I will find the course code you need to log into. Okay, any questions about that? All right, give that a shot, and I will go in and log into mine and give you the course code. And I'll put the course code here, and I'll put it also in your Google class. All right, give that a shot. Just for reference, I also make a link to adhesive, so I'm not always struggling to find my adhesive. Okay, so all I do is click on that, and I log in. By the way, don't make a username and password. Just use your Google login. Okay, just use that. That's a safe, secure way to log in. You should be using that whenever they offer that. Use that. Okay, and if you look, I now have my courses. Now, if you're going ahead of me and just watching, you could do that, or you could watch this. Remember, I'm recording this so that people that missed the class could watch what I did. All right, and so you guys are intro, right? Let me see what class this is. You guys are, yeah, intro. Okay, so I come in here, all right, Intro to CS Term 1 2021, that's you guys. And the token is right there. This is the token you're going to need. So let me make sure I got the right one because there's Term 1 and Term 2. So there's Term 1. And I've already realized that I probably have to edit that out of a video. If I put this public, everyone could sign up for this class. So I probably have to edit that out of the video. But anyway, here it is, and here is the code. Let me see if I can find this code. Forget where the code is at. Let's look under settings. Yeah, see, this is the course code right here. I'll zoom in. Okay, so it's course code 2E1667. So once you get logged into Adhesive, use this code to get you in. Okay, and I feel like I should highlight that and put it in your Google class. Okay, so I'll do that, and in the stream, I will actually answer under adhesive enrollment. I will put the class code right underneath there. I'm going to take out the term Intro to Computer Science Term 1, and I'm just going to put this one. Actually, I feel like maybe you need to know the class name. Hold on, let's do this again. Let's go class name. All right, and then I'll hit return and I'll say class code. Okay, and this code is without the parentheses. Okay, something like that. That code didn't work, that 2E1667. Oh, okay. Armando was in, David wasn't in. Now here's a little pitfall, guys. In order to do this, in order to sign up for Adhesive, you got to use your personal Gmail. You can't use the schools. The schools won't let. The schools' Gmail is really, really restrictive. They just want it so you guys can, I don't know, go into. I don't know why they gave you an email. The email is really kind of useless for just about everything, and including Adhesive. So you have to actually sign up with your own personal Gmail. And again, go back to who said they have 5 fake accounts, Justin. If you don't want to use your real account, use a fake account, but you can't use CVOCs. Okay. All right. So use that code, and it looks like people are getting in. Okay. Christian asked, how do you get in? Go to Google Classroom, and here is the link to get in. Or this is the video that I'm having you watch to show you how to get there. All right. Maybe the video is not good enough. Maybe I should put the link too. So let me do the link. I want you guys to get here. Let's see here. Let me take my link. Here's my link right here, and I'll copy it, and I'll put that into your Google class also. Here's the link. Okay. There's the adhesive link. Okay, so that's the link they're talking about in the video. Maybe they didn't give that in the video. Oh, did it really? Armando said it actually let him use the school email. That's awesome. That's awesome. Last year we struggled with that. It didn't allow us to do it. Or I could be confusing that with AWS. When you log into AWS, it won't let you use the school. So just keep that in mind. If you're getting skunked, they're not letting you in. Use your personal one for sure. Okay. All right. And so with that said, I will give you guys time to log in, and then I want you to see what you should be seeing. Okay, so I'm going to go to my courses, and I'm going to go to that CS Term 1. Okay, once you get in it, you should see something like what's behind me now. Okay, all right, and what I want you to do is read it, watch some videos to get started, click Get Started, and kind of go asynchronously, right? Go as far as you can go as you're ready, and if you're not getting in, don't stress out. We're not moving forward. I just want you guys to get it going. This is all I want to do today. And in fact, it's period ends at 8:41. We're already only 6 minutes away from the end of class, so this is pretty much all we're going to do. Yeah, Ryland, that section tokens is exactly what we want. Okay, so if you got into this today, that's all we want. It's perfect. That's your LMS. That's your second teacher, and really organized, really nice stuff. A lot of your teachers are preparing to have this in your classes, to go away from Google Classroom and go to an LMS like this. And we're lucky because our LMS is already set up. They have to actually set their whole class up and stuff, and they're kind of stressing out about it. But it's really a great system, and it's not as hard as everyone's making out to be. A lot of colleges use this also, by the way. So there's a big move in education to get into a Canvas like situation like this, and not into like a Google Classroom. Though I like Google Classroom too, because it's really easy to put links and put stuff in the stream. So we'll keep with that Google Classroom piece. That's where we'll communicate, especially since YouTube won't let me put stuff down below in the links. We will stay with Google Classroom to put links in there. Okay. So with that said, I know you guys are still working on it. I'm just going to do an outro for the video. All right. That does it for this episode. Hope that you enjoyed it. Remember, always trying to make you great and help you innovate. So until next time. What, Paul? Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. And if you have any questions, leave comments below or go to the website at www.themightycodecoder.com or find me on Twitter at themightycodecoder. See you next time.